Alright, I'm recording now, Jack. Good of you know how to work my camera, isn't it? I'm right cheating, I'll put it on video. Whee! Let's with them. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, busy Lizzies. Right. Big bang goes and then I think we sounded really mean when we said to Ian no donation to the bonfire society.
Well, we had some woman on a store who was really rude about it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, she spoke to one lady and she was like, I'm coming here.
Whoa! Whee! Oh! I don't know what I'm getting, but I'm getting on. Woo! Whee! Show some more then, boys.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, oh look, pretty red ones. Ah.
Remember, I can't record nothing else.
Oh, you cheating, I've got it on record as well. Whee! Try to watch the camera and watch the fireworks at the same time. Whee! I hope she had some earmuffs for Ben if he was out. Lighten up some more. I know, but my arm's aching now, Jack. My bad arm. Let's hold it. Go on then. It's still on record.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, she was running the schools up top.